Today, we're diving into the world of indoor flowering plants and sharing 6 amazing options that are perfect for growing and keeping alive in Singapore's climate. Let's get started. First up, we have the beautiful peace lily. This plant is a must-have for any indoor garden, as it not only purifies the air, but also flourishes in low-light environments. Next on our list is the spider plant. This plant doesn't just look cool with its spidery leaves, but it also helps purify your indoor air while thriving in medium to low-light conditions. Moving on to the orchids, these stunning flowers come in a variety of colors and are relatively easy to care for in Singapore's climate, making them perfect for beginners. Now, let's talk about the philodendron. This plant is super easy to grow and thrives in medium to low-light conditions. Bonus points because it's pet-friendly. Up next is the Calathea medallia. This unique plant boasts leaves with interesting patterns that are sure to add a touch of beauty to your indoor space. It prefers medium light and moist soil, making it a great choice for those who want a challenge. Lastly, we have the mother-in-law's tongue knot really. Also known as the snake plant, this hardy plant needs very little attention and can survive in low-light conditions. Talk about easy care. That's it for our top 6 indoor flowering plants. If you found this video helpful and want more gardening tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy growing, everyone!